guys, welcome back. It's Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance. This is part 2. If you have not seen part 1 of my outlet haul for Victoria's Secret Pink, go ahead and check it out. It'll be in the cards above. But y'all, I have part 2 sitting right here. So I have part 2, plus I have some stuff from a flash sale they were doing online. Waiting for the rest of my flash sale stuff to come, but they were doing 40% off a single item plus free shipping, and you can do as many transactions as you wanted and get the 40% off the item and free shipping, 40% off the item, free shipping. Y'all, it was lit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start off with the 40% off with free shipping, and then we'll get to the outlet stuff. So let's get started. So the first item that I got, it was actually 80% off because the accessories at the time were going 40% off, and they gave you an additional 40 because they were doing the flash sale. So these were 80% off, normally $32.95 for these. Y'all, that's crazy, right? So I got a total of like 80% off. And it's just the Sherpa, really soft Sherpa right here, and it says pink. These are super cute, and it's pink on the back of the shoe, well, excuse me, on the bottom, and it's real soft. It is really soft, and I just wanted to have like some black shoes, and I don't have any just black shoes, so to get these, they were like 11 bucks. It was definitely worth it. The next thing in here are 2 sprays, Thorn to Be Wild. I got that one. It says Spritz Love Repeat, and I'm trying to see if it has the scent notes on it. No, it doesn't, but it's from Pink and it smells really good. I mean, if that helps y'all at all, but yeah, it smells good. And this is Fresh and Clean Vacay. I mean, how cute is this packaging? This packaging is really cute, and it smells good. I'm gonna spray this one right now because it smells really good. I do like this one. It reminds me of my Aunt Sam's house in the summertime. Like, seriously, that's what it smells like. And of course, the packaging is super cute, so I had to get that. And I had an order I placed with Poshmark. If you guys didn't know, I'm on Poshmark. I sell Bath and Body Work on Poshmark, things that are hard to find, so definitely check it out. It's TMR2886. But I made an order with a girl on Poshmark, and I got this, I had to try it on, that's why it's inside out. But I got this zipper hoodie, or half zip hoodie, or a hood, or whatever. It's not a hoodie, I guess, because I don't have a hood, but it's a half zip. I think it's just called that, and it looks just like that, and it's in a size large, and it has the thumbnails. Goodness, I'm on YouTube too much. It has the thumb things here, and on the back it says pink, really big. So that was really nice. And she even sent me a gift with my order, which was really sweet of her. It says I Love Shimmer. Almost dropped it, but I got good hands. Okay. It says I Love Shimmer Love Spell Fragrance Mist Set. So it comes with a regular Love Spell, and it comes with a Love Spell Shimmer. So this is nice just for me to keep in my purse. So that was a nice free gift with my order, and I only spent $20 to get that. That's everything that I got for 40% off so far. Y'all, don't worry, the rest of the stuff is on the way. It'll be delivered next week. But let's go over to the outlet. The first thing I got is this Victoria's sports bra. It is in a large, and I know you're like, girl, why did you get that? You are extra large in their bras. But y'all, this one has some stretch, so it does give some give. I already tried it on. Thank God it fits, because I would have been mad because they don't got no returns. But it looks just like this, and it says Victoria's Sport. I don't know the original price on it because it doesn't say it, but these normally go for about $25, and it was only $9.99, so that was a really good deal. I also got a pair of undies. If you don't like undies, you ain't gonna like these, but I got these undies because some people don't like to see undies, but these are rainbow undies. Look at them, y'all. They're blingy rainbow underwear. They're super cute. And then look at the bag. Look at the bag. It's just mesh. Like, these are really cute. I only got paid $3.99, y'all. I paid $3.99. The price on these, $18.50. $18.50 for some drawers. No, ma'am. $3.99, okay? And then I got these cute little drawers right here. Yes, honey. When I tell you, these are cute. And these is going to be a sport to get on, okay? I'm gonna show y'all the back in a minute, but the front looks like this. It's a cute purple, like lilac-y color. It's normally $16.50 and it was $3.99. And basically with the back part, come on, Come on, underwear. If I can get it together, I will show y'all. But basically with the back part, yeah, the cheeky part is out, and then like this is the top part of the back. So that's how you wear these underwear. They a lot of work in the back, but basically your butt's out right there, and then the Brazilians up like that. So they really cute, and it was only $3.99. So how you doing? So I got those. I got this bag. It's actually a gift for someone for the holidays, and I just thought it was really cute. This really screams her. Why does it have a piece of lint on it? Let me wipe it off. But this screams her, and it just reminds me, Frederick, I'm a rich bitch. Yes, it gives me that vibe. It normally goes for $58, and because it's a gift, I won't say how much it costs. But yeah, it's gonna be for her, and it's gonna be filled with a lot of goodies. And I just thought this was really pretty. The next thing I got was this. This is super cute. Y'all, this is a robe. This robe goes for $74.50. And this robe is in a medium large. And guess how much I paid for this robe? $7.99. $7.99 for this robe. Y'all, this robe, I'll say it again, cost $74.50. And I only paid $7.99. The arms are really nice. I have already worn it, and it's super comfortable, and I just love it. For $7.99, you cannot not love it, right? The next thing I got was a sleep shirt. I got a sleep shirt for $2.99. Like, I love the $2.99 sleep shirt deal. It was amazing, and this time I got this one. It's actually in a medium, but I tried it on. It does fit because these stretch. Like, if you can see with the material, these shirts stretch. And they're really nice. So I went ahead and just picked one up. I mean, $2.99, you can't beat it. It's just a shirt to sleep in at night. So I got that. And there's two more items in here. The last two items in this one are the Glimmer Wash. So these are the Tease body washes. I loved getting these last year, and you remember these were $4.99. Oh no, at the outlet, $2.99 for these bad boys. So I went ahead and picked up two of them because I know I like the Tease. Like right now, my jam is the Tease Rebel. Oh my god, I spray that every day because Tease Rebel is just my scent for fall and winter. Like, love it. It's one of my favorites for this time of year. So had to get two of the Tease body washes so I can get throughout the fall. And one last store, when I was there, I stopped at Bath and Body Works too, but you already seen that video. If you haven't, I'll link it in the cards above. The Bath and Body Works winter display part 1, because they're gonna have the Linda Sweets coming out November 4th. But I stopped at Aeropostale because I got Justin 2 shirts and a pair of pants, and they gave me a coupon for 25 off 100 that I'm going to use next month because I want to get Justin some more stuff, because I used to love Aeropostale. Like, I used to love it until I couldn't fit it no more, and then it was like, oh, can't go there anymore. But now, y'all, I can fit in Aeropostale again. So I was in there and I got Justin stuff, and I got one thing for me, just one. But when it comes to that coupon, me and Justin gonna be splitting that, and you can use the coupon as many times as you want to. It's unlimited usage on it, which is pretty cool. So this sweater normally goes for $44.50. It's a cropped sweater, okay? And y'all, I ain't pay that. It was 60% off. Can we come out? Thank you. But it looks just like this. It says Aeropostale, and then on the side it says New York. If y'all didn't know, I'm from Buffalo, New York, so it got New York here. So I thought that was real cool. And I think, does it say anything on the other side? It says New York again on the other side, and it's just a nice crop sweater. It is so comfortable. It is so soft. And I was just so excited to be able to fit in Aeropostale again. So I cannot wait to next month when I go in and I go get the stuff for Justin, and then I can go get some stuff for me, and be able to fit their clothes again. I'm super excited about that. Like, I don't even think, like, the weight loss is cool, but to just be able to shop at the stores that I used to shop at 10 years ago, because it's been 10 years since I've been able to go to the store, it feels really good. It feels so good. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from Pink 40% off, Victoria's Secret Pink Outlet, Aeropostale. That's it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.